Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Tang, and today I'm going to show you how to automatically comment on TikTok videos. First, we need to add TikTok accounts into the software. This tool allows you to manage an unlimited number of accounts. Next, to start commenting, go to the settings section and set up the feature configuration. You can refer to the settings I'm using right here, then enter the comment content you want. Just put in any example you like. You can allow your TikTok accounts to comment with the same content or different content. If you want them to use identical comments, simply tick this box. After that, just copy the link of the video you want and paste it into the software. Configure the actions, like comment, share, set the video watch time. After the video is fully watched, the accounts will automatically go and comment. Finally, select the accounts and click Start. The software will automatically log in and comment on the video you chose. If you're looking for a tool like this, feel free to contact me. My information is below. Thank you and see you in the next videos.